First of all, I would like to pay my high respect to Mr. Persari, the main director of Skyline International School. Teacher and everyone, my name is Hoydana. I am 10 years old. I study at Skyline International School at Sturmage campus. Today, I'm present about my topic is pollution in a city. Okay, let's get started with me. Pollution in a city is a serious problem that affects people, animals, and the environment in many cities. The air is filled with smoke from cars, factories, and burning waste. This makes it hard to breathe and can cause health problems. Streets are often dirty with plastic bags, bottles, and other rubbish. Rivers and lakes can also become polluted when waste is thrown into them. Noise pollution from traffic and construction make the city loud and stressful. To reduce pollution, people should use public transport, recycle waste, and keep their surroundings clean. The government should also create law to protect the environment and make cities healthier places to live. At the end of my topic, I would like to say goodbye teacher, goodbye everyone, bye.